Namaskar, welcome back to Simplify Your Space. To make a cooking routine easier and faster, we all use different kitchen appliances like an air fryer, an OTG, a toaster. But honestly, managing all of these is not easy, especially if you have a smaller kitchen. Now imagine if one appliance could do it all. Today I'm sharing something really interesting, the Nester Full Stack Steam Air Fryer Oven. And trust me, this is not just an air fryer, it's like a complete cooking system for your kitchen. This video is made in collaboration with Nester. So let's see how this single smart appliance can become your best kitchen companion. Let's get started.
First, let's talk about the design and build quality. So this is the Nester Full Stack Steam Air Fryer Oven. It feels very premium with a sturdy and long-lasting design. The entire body is made of high-quality stainless steel, which makes it more durable. It comes with an oven rack, air fryer basket, baking pan and crumb tray, and all of them are made of stainless steel with no Teflon or non-stick coating anywhere. So if you prefer to avoid Teflon and that's what was stopping you till now from buying an air fryer, this Nester Full Stack Steam Air Fryer Oven is the one for you. Few other helpful accessories like mitten, tongs, spatula and oil brush come with this air fryer oven. The controls are very simple and user-friendly. You can easily set the temperature, timer and cooking mode, so even beginners can use it without any confusion. In this air fryer oven, you can air fry, use tandoor mode, bake, roast and even reheat food. It also has a steam lock function, and to use that there is a container on top which needs to be filled with water. I'll explain this feature later in the video. It comes in beautiful shades like smoked caramel and dalgona brown, giving it a warm premium feel. It's designed in a way that actually adds to your kitchen decor instead of looking bulky or industrial. The clean glass door in the front lets you see your food while it's cooking, which is especially helpful when you're baking or roasting.
Now let's see its smart features and how it works.
First, let's try its air fryer mode. Air fryer mode is mainly used for frying items with little to no oil. You can make french fries, smileys, cutlets, tikkies, fried momos, samosas and many other items in this mode. This steam air fryer oven comes with a large 16-liter capacity and a 4-layer cooking system, which means you can easily cook bigger portions like a full chicken or even multiple dishes at once using the same mode. It's really helpful especially when you have a kids party at home. You can make fries, smileys, cheese balls, tikkies, pizzas at the same time, saving a lot of time and effort. And honestly, how convenient is that? It's perfect for family meals or when you're short on time. Now let's try its tandoor mode. I am making tandoori broccoli in this, and for that I have already marinated the broccoli. I am placing it in the middle using the oven rack. Now I will set the mode to tandoor at 230 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and after that I will use the steam function for another 5 to 8 minutes. This air fryer has a unique steam lock technology, which means your food stays juicy and moist on the inside while getting that perfect crisp on the outside. Wow, just look at these yummy tandoori broccolis. A lot of people complain that snacks and vegetables become dry or overcooked in air fryers, but with this you get just the right texture every time.
Now you might be thinking, everything else is fine, but can this Nester Steam Air Fryer Oven actually bake? Well, yes, of course. Let's try making a mawa cake using bake mode.
Most air fryers come with a single small basket, so baking becomes a challenge because most baking tins don't fit inside due to the compact space. Also, the heating from above can sometimes burn the bread or cakes as there is not much space between them. But this steam air fryer oven is quite spacious and works very much like an OTG. It uses a 360-degree diamond airflow system that distributes heat evenly, so everything cooks uniformly. No half-cooked or uneven results. And here is the result. The cake is beautifully and evenly baked both from the outside and inside. Just look at this, so soft, fluffy and perfectly done. The full recipe of Mava cake is given in the description box. In pizza mode, you can prepare a variety of pizzas in the comfort of your home. Look at this, such a beautiful and yummy pizza. Crispy on the outside but soft and cheesy on the inside. If you combine the pizza mode with the steam function, the pizza stays soft and crispy and does not become hard or rubbery. The roast mode is very helpful for everyday use in the kitchen. You can roast peanuts, semolina, herbs, vegetable, meats, etc., which helps save time while cooking. This is really useful for meal prepping and for those who are always short on time but still prefer healthy cooking. So while your rice is getting ready, you can prepare roasted veggies or paneer in the Nesta Steam Air Fryer oven and enjoy a healthy meal by investing just a few minutes. The best part is you don't have to continuously stir or monitor the food like we usually do on the gas stove. Other than these most used modes, there are few more cooking modes available like cookies, warm and reheat. The best part about this is that this single appliance can actually replace multiple kitchen gadgets. Your air fryer, OTG, toaster, even a tandoor, and it can also reheat food like a microwave. So basically, less clutter on your kitchen counter and a lot more convenience. Now let's talk about its pricing. It is priced at Rs 18,999, which is quite budget friendly, especially for everything it offers. It's definitely worth the investment. So overall, if you're looking for an appliance that saves space, reduces clutter and makes cooking easier with multiple cooking options, this is definitely worth checking out. And the steam feature is definitely a great add-on. After this, you really don't need to buy multiple appliances, as this one is enough for all your cooking needs. For more details and the product link, please check the description box. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more videos like this. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.